Hello, fellow traders. You are welcome again to this day forex analysis. Today is Saturday, the 8th of November 2025. I want to use this medium to appreciate God Almighty for the wonderful way we just had. I was here last Saturday to share with you my ideas concerning NAS100, and technically it happened the same way I proposed it because this is price action. As you know me, HB200FX, I am a technical trader. Whatever that happens in fundamental does not concern me. What concerns me is the technicality of the price action. I am still your boy, HB200FX, the only forex trader who has just a mission anytime any pair is before me, and that mission is always to decomplexify the complicated. Fellow traders, you know me that before HB200FX click any buy or any sell, what is called the 4Ws ought to be sorted out, and these 4Ws are number one. Why is it that I am looking for buying this pair NAS100? The second W, what is the substantial evidence of buying this pair NAS100? The third W, where will I, HB200FX, buy this pair NAS100? And the last and not the least W, which is number four, is when to buy this pair NAS100. Fellow traders, as you journey with me to the monthly time frame, you will understand the rationales behind my preparation for buying this pair. And this is monthly time frame. Now, what is happening in the monthly time frame? What can we see? Before I show you the uptrend, let me first of all show you the zones. And this is the zone. This is the monthly upper zone, this is the midway zone, and this is the lower zone. What is happening in this pair? What can we see? We are seeing what? We are seeing a beautiful uptrend. This is an uptrend. Why is this an uptrend? It is an uptrend because it is giving us a higher high and higher low. You can see it here. It gave us higher high, it came down for higher low. Where's the price going? The price is going now for this higher high. But when you look carefully, you will discover that the price is yet to get to this level. So does that mean that we will capitalize with the bulls and push the price upwardly with them till they get to this level? Yes, this is a great movement. It is worth capitalizing on. So this monthly time frame has just suggested one of the reasons why this pair is needed to buy. But does that mean that we will conclude from this time frame that we will buy this pen? No. We have many time frames to confirm from. So there is no way as swing trend that we will conclude from this only time frame, multi time frame, that we will buy this pen. We need to take it to other time frame for more clarification. And here we come at the weekly time frame. What is happening at the weekly time frame? We are seeing a beautiful structure. What is this structure? This structure is a beautiful uptrend. This is an uptrend and a beautiful one as that. It gave us higher high. It came down for higher low. It has given us higher high again. It came down for higher low. The price went up again for another higher high. It has come back again for what? Higher low. And this price, the price is at the weekly support level. And weekly support level carries a lot of buying pleasure. You see, where will the price go now? The price will go now for equal highs. From this equal highs, it will end its journey for this higher high. But first of all, it will get to this equal high first. Sorry. The price will get to this equal highs first. After getting to these equal highs, buyers will still continue with their pleasure and push it till they get to their final destination, which is higher high. This is the technicality of the price action. This is how the price action moves technically. This is why I am a technical trader. I only focus on the technicalism of the price movement. But does it mean that we will conclude in this time frame that we need to buy this pair? No, there is no way we will buy from this weekly time frame. No trader buys or sells from weekly time frame. So we need to take it to other time frame for more understanding. And here we come at the daily time frame. The same thing we saw at the weekly time frame is what we are seeing here. We are seeing a beautiful uptrend. This is an uptrend because we are spotting a higher high and a higher low. This is a higher high, came down for higher low. It has gone back again. It went for higher high. It has come back for higher low. that I told you last Saturday that it will come back to this level. If you if you were able to take this trade with me, you have at least win more than 100 pips from this trade. You understand? Now from this trade, from this level, what will happen? Buyers will come in from this level and push the price upward. And when you look carefully, what can you see? We can see a significant pin bar bullishly. This is a bullish significant pin bar telling us the presence of the buyers in this level. You see it? But can we buy from this daily time frame? No. We need to take it to 4H. Getting to 4H, I will share with you when to enter this pair NAS100. And this is 4H now. Now on the 4H, what can we see on this 4H? This is again a beautiful, this is a downtrend in this 4H. It is a downtrend in this 4H. How is this a downtrend? Because it gave us lower low. It gave us lower low in this level. It went for lower high. It has come back again for equal lows. But when you look carefully, what can you see? We can see what? We can see a morning star. This morning star that formed here was is that significant pivot that we saw in the daily time frame. You see, telling us the same thing that daily time frame told us. Daily time frame told us the presence of buyers. Now, coming to this 4H, they have given us a morning star. This morning star signifies the presence of the buyers in this support level. What will happen on Monday when the market opens? What will happen is that the price, buyers will push the price up to this level and they will still come back for another bottom. Now, what will happen? If you fail to buy immediately the market opens, because technically this NAS100 it will buy. It will buy technically. Looking at it technically, it will surely buy technically. If fundamental does not happen, technically this price will buy. So if you fail to join the bulls when the market opens on Monday morning, what are you going to do? You will wait for the second retestment, which will complete it a double bottom and buy from this level and put the price upwardly. You put your first TP here, second TP here, and the final TP3 on this level. This is exactly what is going to happen in this pen as 100. You know the confirmation candle that we used to buy. It can be again a morning star, a bullish candle, a bullish engulfing candle, or a significant pin bar. If you can spot any of the candle in this level again, you can gently join the buyers and push the price upwardly. Fellow traders, this is all I've got for you in this pair NAS 100. Only preparing to buy. But this pair can be non-essential as well because we do not own the market. The market does not belong to anyone. What will make this pair non-essential? The only thing that will make this pair non-essential is when sellers come and bring the price down. If the sellers come and bring the price down to this level, it will mark this pair non-essential. Because as a disciplined trader, when you see a trade, set a trap for that pair, set a trap for that pair. If what you expect happens, buy or sell according to your plan. You understand? But if it does not happen, do not enter the trade. This is what makes us what makes us organized and disciplined. And it takes only a disciplined and an organized trader to be what? To be profitable. You understand? Technically, this is exactly what is going to happen. So we are only preparing to buy this pair on Monday morning by God's grace. On Monday morning by God's grace, we are only preparing to buy this pair. Do not forget that I am still your boy, HB200FX, the only forex trader who has just a mission anytime any pair is before me, and that mission is always to simplify the complicated. Do not forget the code. And what is that code? The code is this. The most beautiful setup is yet to come. So do not risk all you have in one trade. Risk as much as 1%. Risk as much as 2%. Risk maximally as much as 5%. Because the most beautiful setup is yet to come. God bless you, and I wish you a joyful weekend. God bless you all.